Einstein's brain hemispheres were unusually well connected. Study reveals. Science. Nature World News. Natureu.com, Facebook, Twitter, Google, RSS. Home News. Animals. Biology. Environment. Health and Medicine. Tech. Science. Space. Video. Sections. X News. Animals. Biology. Environment. Health, Medicine. Tech. Science. Space. Video. Trending topics: pregnancy, prostate cancer, healthy eating, research, quantum physics, public health. Einstein's brain hemispheres were unusually well connected. Study reveals. Text size, plus. Print. Email. By James A. Foley. October 4, 2013 to 37 p.m. EDT. Albert Einstein's corpus callosum, the bundle of fibers that connects the brains to hemispheres and facilitates interhemispheric communication, was unusually well connected, according to a new study published in the journal Brain, which suggests that Einstein's high level of cranial connectivity may have contributed to his brilliance. Photo. Reuters Flash Sage Center for the Study of the Mind, University of California, Santa Barbara. Handout. Albert Einstein's corpus callosum, the bundle of fibers that connects the brains to hemispheres and facilitates interhemispheric communication, was unusually well connected, according to a new study published in the journal Brain, which suggests that Einstein's high level of cranial connectivity may have contributed to his brilliance. Florida State University evolutionary anthropologist Dean Falk participated in the study led by Wei Men of East China Normal University. Falk said this study, more so than any other to date, really gets inside Einstein's brain. Share this story. After his death in 1955, Einstein's brain was preserved, although the fact remained hidden until 1986. The researchers used a new technique for measuring brain connectivity developed by Men. Men's technique measures and color codes the varying thicknesses of subdivisions of the corpus callosum along its length, where nerves cross from one side of the brain to the other, said a Florida State University statement. These thicknesses indicate the number of nerves that cross and therefore how connected the two sides of the brain are in particular regions, which facilitate different functions depending on where the fibers cross along the length. For example, movement of the hands is represented toward the front and mental arithmetic along the back. Men's research on Einstein's brain connectivity was done by photographs of Einstein's brain published by Falk and others in 2002. To make comparisons of Einstein's brain's connectivity versus that of others, the researchers used samples taken from a group of elderly men and a larger group of men who were 26 years old. In 1905, when Einstein was 26, he had his so-called miracle year where he published 4 papers that significantly contributed to the foundation of modern physics. Compared to both the younger and older control groups, Falk and Men found that Einstein's brain had more extensive connections between certain parts of the cerebral hemisphere. This technique should be of interest to other researchers who study the brain's all-important internal connectivity, Falk said. Copyright 2013 NatureWorldNews.com, all rights reserved. Do not reproduce without permission. Print. Email. Join the conversation. Please enable JavaScript to view the comments powered by Disqus. Sasquatch caught on camera, group says video. Elephant and rhino poaching increasingly linked to terrorist groups. Man grows new nose on forehead. Rare fossil of predator choking on prey to be auctioned. Eagle versus deer, rare images caught on camera. Massive aquifer discovered in Kenya holds 70 years worth of water, may reshape nation. Australian wild pig drinks 18 beers, gets in fight with cow. Turducken of the sea. Incredible photo shows shark eating shark. Record-breaking 513-pound halibut caught in Norway. Space. Evidence of supervolcanoes on Mars discovered. ALMA reveals baby star surrounded by a hot core. New theory explains presence of seeds of life in asteroids. New crew arrives at the International Space Station. Video. Science. Viking society contained vast social networks. New state of matter created by fusing photons. Researchers identify black holes of the ocean. E. coli bacteria used to create gasoline. Tech. Stanford researchers create the world's first working carbon nanotube computer. New technology able to detect human heartbeat through 20 feet of concrete. Canadian weathered satellite launched aboard SpaceX.